Hey everybody, I'm Science Workshops and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another experiment with just a bunch of LEDs and a battery. So you know the positive and negative terminals of a battery and an LED. So if without wires you take them, it does lights up. Let me just get the room a bit dark. Yeah. So here you can see it does lights up. It does lights up. So if we take two LEDs or more than one and just attach to a battery, it will also light up. Let's try this one this time. Okay, so here we have a dark room. This see, positive to positive, negative to negative. Actually this one positive to the positive, but the negative to the negative terminal of the LEDs should match, and then this will light up. You can see the switching. Isn't it crazy? This is a really short video and short experiment and short trick. Easy one. So now I'll show you once more. See, positive to positive, negative to negative, but this time positive terminal of the LED to positive one of the battery, negative terminal of the LED to the negative terminal of the other LED. Yeah, dark lights please. Yeah, so you can see this thing is hilarious, crazy. You can actually light up more than 2, 3 or the number of LEDs you want. So I hope you like this one. It's really easy. Make sure to try this and make sure to subscribe and share this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't this all that, your LED may not work. Make sure to do that. Do this at home and thank you. Bye bye.